Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is x times x is equals to x plus x plus x. So here we solve this problem for all the values of x. Here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. You see that here the exponent of all these three terms are 1, and here we use this nice exponential rule. You know that if we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So according to this rule, here we add the exponent of all these three terms, and this will be written as x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to, here you see that x be the common term. So when we take common x from here, we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1 plus 1. And now further in the next step, we have this will becomes x cubed is equals to, here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3, and we get this is 3 times of x. And now further in the next step, we move the term 3x from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get x cubed minus 3x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve x, so that we take common x from here, and when we take common x, we get the remaining values are, from here we get x minus, from here we get 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move this minus 3. So here we have little mistake. When you take common x from here, we get x square. Okay, so this term becomes x square, and here we get x square is equals to 3. So here our target is to get the value of x, so that we apply square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root, this will becomes, this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get x is equals to square root of 3. But here we write the plus minus sign because we apply here the square root on both of the sides. So we write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So you see that in this method, we get these are the three roots of the given equation, in which the first root is x is equals to 0, and the other two roots are plus minus square root of 3. So now in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x multiplied by x is equals to x plus x plus x. So here first we verify. So here first we verify x is equals to plus minus square root of 3. So in this side we verify x is equals to plus square root of 3, and in this side we verify x is equals to minus square root of 3. So here we when you put this value into the left hand side of the above equation, and so this will be written as square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is equals to, in the right hand side we have square root of 3 is added by 3 times in this way. So further you see here, so here you see that this square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is written as square root of 3 and its whole square is multiplied by square root of 3 is equals to, here you see that all these three terms involve square root of 3. So we take common square root of 3 from here, and we get the remaining value are 1 plus 1 plus 1. This 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get in the left hand side is 3 times of square root of 3 is equals to, here we get again 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3 times of square root of 3. So you see that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value x is equals to square root of 3 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of x. So we put this value of x on both of the sides, and this will be written as minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3 is equals to, here in the right hand side we add minus square root of 3 on 3 times. So we write it as in this way. So again in the same pattern we write this minus square root of 3 as in this form, minus square root of 3 and its whole square is multiplied by minus square root of 3 is equals to, here minus square root of 3 is added by 3 times and we write it as minus 3 times of square root of 3. So here you know that the square of this negative term becomes positive and the 2 and this square root are gone and we get 3 times. And here this negative term we can write it here and we get, from here we get 3 only, and from here we get square root of 3, and this whole equation is also equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. So you again see that both of the sides are equal. It means that the second value of x is also satisfied our given question statement. And now here at the last we verify the third value of x, and the third value of x is equals to 0, and when we put this value of x on both of the sides of this equation, this will be written as in this form. This is 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0. So here you clearly get 0 is equals to 0. So this again shows that both of the sides are equal. So it means that all these three values of x satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is 0 square root of 3 and minus square root of 3. So these are the three values of x, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.